안녕하세요. Aans HANGEUL에 온 것을 환영하다. Hello everyone and welcome to Aans HANGEUL. So, in today's video, we are going to learn how to say long time no see. When you meet someone after a very long time and you have to say like, long time no see, how are you? Are you doing well? So, we will learn that thing in Korean. So, but before starting that, we are going to learn the verb of the day, which is very important. So, the verb of the day is ikta. So, the verb of the day is ikta. Ikta means to read. I know most of you would be interested in reading, so you will use most of the sentences in that. So to read in using the sentences, so the verb will be ikta. So the main thing of this video is how to say long time no see in 3 ways, that is casual, formal and polite. I know in various sentences there are 3 levels mainly: casual, polite and formal, and that you have to use on depending the situation what it is and whom you are speaking to. So you must know these types to say. Please don't get worried or anything. It's very simple. It's very simple. Only the ending changes, nothing else. Otherwise, it's all the same. Yeah. So let's get started. So the first part is how to say in casual form, and how to say that there are 2 ways. You can use either which you like. So the sentence is Oren manida. Oren manida, long time no see. Oren manida, which is in casual form, but the second way is slightly different. As I said, only the ending changes. So the second can be Oren mania, Oren mania, Oren mania, Oren mania, Oren manida, or Oren mania. Long time no see. And how to say that in casual form is Oren manida, and the second is Oren mania. Oren manida, Oren manida, or Oren mania, Oren mania, Oren mania, Oren mania. So the second way to say a long time no see in Korean is in polite form. So the sentence is Oren mani예요. Oren mani예요. Oren mani예요. Oren mani예요. Oren mani요. Oren mani요. Oren mani예요. Oren mani예요. Long time no see. Last but not the least, how to say it's been a long time. In formal form it changes, it's been a long time. And how to say that in Korean is 오랜만입니다. 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 It's been a long time. 오랜만입니다. 오랜만입니다. So those were the 3 ways how to say long time no see in Korean. So let's have a quick recap so that you can revise it again. So the first one was the casual form, and I told you can use it in 2 types. So the first one was 오랜만이다, 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 and the second way was 오랜만이야, 오랜만이야, 오랜만이야. So the second way is to say in polite form which is 오랜만이에요. 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 And the last was the formal form. And how to say that is 오랜만입니다. 오랜만입니다. So always revise them, then only you will be able to learn them, and also you can use them with your friends also. These short sentences which I am teaching through these videos are very much helpful in your daily situations. So I hope you are liking my videos, and I know it's been a long time for me to make these videos, but still I'm trying my best. So if you're liking my videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Aans HANGEUL, where you can learn Korean in an easy and correct way. So that's all for today, and 감사합니다 for watching my channels. I hope you remember that word, please. So 감사합니다, 안녕, and let's see you in next video, and which will come very soon. So bye bye, 감사합니다.